friends, my name is Mello. I am currently living in Sri Lanka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to introduce you about this. What is this? This is not a toy. This is the most famous 3D puzzle in the world. This was made by Rubik in 1974. This looks like a cube. Rubik cube has different 6 colors for identify. Rubik cube has 3 layers. First layer, middle layer or second layer, third layer or last layer. Rubik cube has different 3 types of pieces: centerpiece, edge piece and corner piece. Rubik cube has different kinds. This is Rubik cube and this is Rubik piraminx and this is Rubik shapes like that. This is 3x3 Rubik cube, 2x2 Rubik cube, 4x4 Rubik cube, 5x5 Rubik cube and 6x6 Rubik cube. That is 32x32 Rubik cube. It is so difficult to solve more than others. This is 3x3 Rubik piraminx, 2x2 Rubik piraminx, 1x1 Rubik piraminx, 4x4 Rubik piraminx and 5x5 Rubik's pyramid. I know how to solve this. First we have to shuffle this. Now I am going to solve this. Timer please. 1, 2, 3, start. Finish. I know how to solve Rubik pyramid. First we have to shuffle this. Timer please. 1, 2, 3, start. Finish. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. See you later with new video. Bye bye.